You can barely see downtown from our camera here, Matt Scott. It's raining to beat the band at some points, at least here in Hartford.
Driving in, the clouds were so low you couldn't see the top of the Capitol dome.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you're talking an ominous scene out there, and not getting better anytime soon. And that's really the most important thing you need to know. It's raining, lots of it, and it's a long-term storm going well into tonight, maybe even into tomorrow morning. So this is not a few hours and we're done. So the flood potential because of the heavy rain at times is certainly accelerated. There is hope for Christmas snow. We're going to talk about that coming up at 7:01. The temperatures, look at this. 59 degrees in Hartford, Meriden 58 in Bridgeport, Danbury, you've got 60. Wow. It's officially winter later on this afternoon at 5:23, and we're ushering in with almost like October-like numbers. Cloud and radar perspective, there's the rain moving in from the south and west. Going to take you down to Fairfield County. The deeper shades of green, moderate rain. Look over the border, up and down 684. Stand by Danbury. You're about to get a lot of rain. Moderate rain now in Casino Country, up the 395 corridor. Norwich down to New London, back up into Colchester, tapers off a bit in East Haddam. But if you're under a little bit of a reprieve, don't get used to it. There's a lot more rain moving in from the south. We promised you that. The snow, the cold air, well up over Canada and not coming down this way. I'm going to take you through the next few hours just to show you some heavy rain bands will be pushing in. And we talked about this yesterday. Where these rain bands set up will determine, obviously, who has a better chance of flooding. Some isolated feeder bands could be good for 1 inch or 2 inches of rain in a short amount of time. Coastal flood warning in effect for the New Haven and Fairfield County shoreline. Coastal flood advisory for New London and Middlesex, looking at waves around high tide about 2 to 3 feet above normal. That could lead to some moderate flooding. One more quick graphic, we'll move on to traffic. Here's what you need to be concerned with. The potential for flash flooding, obviously poor drainage areas. That's a problem for the road warriors who are traveling all day long. Strong winds could lead to some power outages, 35 to 45 mile per hour gusts, if not higher. And then coastal flooding, we talked about that a moment ago. We'll break it all down for you, time it out, get you ready for Christmas. It's all coming up in a few minutes. Maggie with a look at roads right now.
Oh, yeah.